Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Face ID to lock any app on your iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device and get to the Search tab. Here, search for shortcuts and make sure it is updated to the latest version. After that, open it up and then get to the Automation tab. Inside it, tap on the New Automation feature and then select App from the menu. Now, tap on the Choose button and select the apps you would like to lock. You can choose multiple apps here. Once selected, tap on the Done button and choose Run Immediately from the bottom menu. Now, tap on Next and then search for Lock the Screen from the available actions. After that, tap on the Done button and try opening the selected apps. You can see that the lock screen suddenly occurs and you will need to scan your Face ID in order to access the app. So that's basically how you can use Face ID to lock any app on your iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!